How to save a Word document as PDF in Word. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to save a Word document as a PDF directly within Microsoft Word. So, let's jump right in and learn how to do it. First things first, let's open the Word document that you want to save as a PDF. Once your document is open, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window to access the File menu. In the File menu, click on Save As to open the Save As dialog box. Next, navigate to the location where you want to save the PDF file and give it a name. Now, in the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF as the file format. Finally, click Save to save your Word document as a PDF. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Word document as a PDF directly within Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.